tutorial I'm just going to very quickly show you how to do a slight adaptation of a double crochet. Obviously that's UK double, US single crochet. So I'm just going to do a little swatch size for you. I'm just using some leftover Stylecraft classic cotton that I've got from a previous project. And so obviously I'm just doing a quick sample piece, so I'm just going to chain an even number. So you do need an even number for this particular stitch to work. So I've just done a quick chain of 20 and I'm going to add one more onto the end now for turning. So we're now going to work our way back along. So into the second chain back from your hook now, which is this chain just here, obviously you're going to do a row of double crochet. So insert your hook and yarn over, pull through both loops, and then again into the next. And you're going to do one double crochet into every stitch across. And I will meet you just when you get back at the end of your row. So I've done my row of double crochet now and I'm ready to move on to our next row. So you're going to chain one and turn, and we're going to skip over this very first stitch here and go into the next one. So you're going to skip that first one and go into the next, yarn over and pull up and do a double crochet. You're then going to go back to the stitch that you missed, which is this stitch just here. You're going to insert your hook into there, yarn over and pull up, keep it relatively loose, and yarn over, pull through both. And then again you're going to skip one and go into the next one along and do a double crochet, again keeping it quite loose. And then you're going to go back to the one that you skipped and do a double crochet into the one that you've just skipped over. And again pulling it up so it's not too tight. And again skip one and go into the next, double crochet, and then go back to the one that you missed just here and double crochet again. And you're just going to do that all the way along. So skip one, double crochet, and then go back into the stitch that you missed. So I'm at the end of my row now and I've got two chains left. I've got this one and this one. So you, as normal, you're going to skip one and then double crochet and then go back into the one that you skipped over as normal and double crochet. So that is your very first row, and you can see that the stitches are all leaning slightly. So again you want to chain one and turn, and again we're going to skip the very first stitch here at the base of that chain one, and we're going to go into the next one and double crochet and then go back to the one that we missed and double crochet. Again skip one, double crochet, and back into the one that you missed and double crochet. So you're just going to continue that. So it is the same as doing rows of double crochet in the sense that you're not adding or removing any stitches, but it just gives an extra little bit of fun, an extra little bit of texture to the double crochet stitch. But you're just going to repeat that all the way along for your whatever it is that you're making it. So again I'm just coming to the end and I have got two stitches left. I've got one and two. So again you're just going to skip one and double crochet into the next, and then as always back to the one that you skipped and double crochet. So I'm going to work up a couple more rows now just so that you can see how it looks the further on you get. So I'll meet you there in a sec. I've worked up quite a few more rows now, and you can see the effect that you're getting with your double crochets slanting in one direction. I think you'll agree it's a really nice variation of the double crochet stitch, and I really hope that you like it. Unfortunately, due to the pattern itself, you do get lumpy edges, but obviously it's nothing that a simple double crochet border wouldn't sort out. But if you were leaving it just plain for a dishcloth or something, the effect is actually quite nice because it's quite a uniformed frill almost that you get, almost like a little shell. So I personally don't mind the effect for things like dishcloths anyway. But that is it for the slanting double crochet stitch. I really hope that you've enjoyed it, and if you have, please remember to give me a very quick thumbs up and to subscribe and share the video, and I will see you for another one very soon. Bye for now.